Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 6.2, question 13 and 15. These two questions I will solve today, and question 14 is given as your homework. These three questions are, you have to find the sum. It means that you have to find the sum. Okay, dear students, now see question 13. Question 13 is 2a by x plus 1 is the first fraction and 2a by x minus 2 is the second fraction. It means two fractions are given. We have to find their sum. Dear students, you know that in case of finding the sum of fraction, the rules is at first you have to do the LCM of denominators. Then you have to divide the LCM by each denominator and multiply rule 3 is multiply the respective numerator by the quotient. Then last step, do calculation. It means that then you have to add the numerators with the numerators, and then if you can simplify the numerator, you have to simplify. This means do calculation. These rules you have to apply for doing the sum or finding out the sum. You have to apply this rule. So at first you have to do the LCM of the denominators. Here first denominator is x plus 1 and second denominator is x minus 2. As we can factorize this, so we can do direct the LCM of these two. LCM of these two is their product, x plus 1 and x minus 2. If you want, you can write the side note here, LCM of, so I will erase the rules now. That means LCM of x plus 1 and x minus 2 is x plus 1 into x minus 2, as there is no common factor. So LCM will be their product. Okay, now we have to divide the LCM by each denominator. So we have to divide this by x plus 1. In case of first fraction, we have to divide by x plus 1. So if we divide this by x plus 1, we will get the quotient x minus 2. So we have to multiply the numerator of first fraction by x minus 2. So we have to write 2a into x minus 2. Then addition sign is given, so we have to get the addition sign. Then we have to divide the LCM by the denominator of second fraction. Here denominator of second fraction is x minus 2. So if we divide by x minus 2, this will vanish and x plus 1 will be the quotient. So we have to multiply the numerator of first fraction by numerator of second fraction by x plus 1. We have to multiply the numerator of second fraction by x plus 1. Now if we multiply or if we calculate here, what will we get? Multiply x minus 2 by 2a, we will get 2ax. Here is minus, so give minus 2a into 2 means 4a. Here is addition sign, so we can give addition sign. Now 2a into x means 2ax, and plus if we multiply we will get plus. This will be 2a into 1 means 2a. As multiplication of any number or expression by 1, that will remain same. So now we have to write this x plus 1 into x minus 2. We will write always the denominator. Now we can calculate here 2ax, here is 2ax. If we add these two, we will get 4ax. Then 4a is negative here, 2a is positive here. If we calculate this two, we will get minus 2a. Now we can take common 2a from the numerator. This means the last step, calculation. Take 2a as common, 2x will remain, and here is 1 remaining. So we can say x plus 1 into x minus 2. This is our required sum for the first question, question 13. This is our required sum. So answer of this question is 2a into 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, dear students, now I will go to the second question. What is the second question here? Second question is 3 by x square minus 4x minus 5 plus 4 by x plus 1. Okay, now we have to do the LCM of these two denominators. To do the LCM, at first we have to factorize the first denominator of first fraction. So at first we have to factorize. If we factorize, this is a middle term, so we have to write this. We can express the middle term 5x plus x in this way. Now we can write here, for this fraction will remain same. When the factorization will be done, then I have to do the another calculation, Okay, now take x as common, x minus 5, and then plus 1 as common, you will get x minus 5. Then this will remain same, and after that we can write this x plus 1 and x minus 5 plus 4 by x plus 1. Dear students, now we can do the LCM of these two easily, as I have factorized the denominator of first fraction. Now do the LCM. What is the LCM of these two denominators? LCM is here x plus 1 is common, so we can write x plus 1, then x minus 5 remaining here, x minus 5 I have to write. We can write the LCM of x plus 1 into x minus 5 and x plus 1 is x plus 1 into x minus 5. This is the LCM of the denominators. Now I can divide the LCM by the first denominator of first fraction. If we divide, this one and this one vanishes, this one vanishes, only one remaining here. So we can write here only 1 is the quotient. Now we have to multiply 3 by 1. Multiply 3 by 1. It means 3 multiplied by 1. Then plus, we have to take x plus 1 as common. Sorry, we have to divide the LCM by x plus 1. So x minus 5 will remain. As x minus 5 will be the quotient, so we have to multiply x minus 5 by 4. X minus 5. If we multiply, what will we get? we'll get here 4x. At first write the denominator. Denominator will be x minus 5, x plus 1 into x minus 5, and here will be 3 plus 4x minus 4 5s are 20. If we multiply, we will get this. Now we can write here x plus 1 into x minus 5. Now if we calculate here 4x, there is no x term here. Now minus 20 and plus 3 will, if we calculate, we will get minus 17. Minus 17. This is the required sum of question 15. Okay, dear students, so we can write answer of question 15 is 4x minus 17 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 5. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. These questions are very easy for you, and solve question 14 as your homework. This is your homework 21. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.